Alright, y'all, we are going to run the Tool Set Mini. There are 15 spots at $10 a spot. Let's copy our list and go live at 11:45. It's 11:45. Paste our list. We have 15 spots. So we need a 4 or higher on the dice. We have a 4, 2 twos. Here we go for the first time at 11:45, rolling to 11:46. After the first time, there are 15 items on the list. Mark is on top. Jason is on bottom. The dice calls for a 4, so here we go at 11:46. 2, 3. After the third time, there are 15 items still on the list. Heather is on top. Mark is on bottom. We randomized 3 times. Dice calls for a 4. Here we go for the last time at 11:46. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, here's the order of our list. We'll check our winners in 1 second. There are 15 items on the list, and we randomized 4 times. Here are all 15 items. The dice, 2 twos, did call for a 4. Let's check our winners. Spot number 1 wins 7 spots. That's Renee Bailey. Spot number 2 wins 3 spots. That's Jason McCormick. Spot number 3 wins 1 spot. That is Mark Gordon. Spot number 4 wins 2. That is Heather. Spot number 5 wins 1. That is Mark. Spot number 6 wins 2. That is Renee. Spot number 7 wins 1. That is Jason. Spot number 8 wins 2. That's Melissa. Spot number 9 wins 1. That is Mark. Spot number 10 wins 5. That is Tanya. Spot number 11 wins 1. That is Heather. Spot number 12 wins 3. That's Tony. Spot number 13 wins 1. That is Jason. Spot number 14 wins 2. That's Sonia. Spot number 15 wins 1. That's Thea. So congratulations, winners. 15 items are on the list. We randomized 4 times. Dice did call for 4. We are done at 11:48. It's 11:48. Congratulations to the winners.